float half of the blood in our bodies. Do you think that's true? I mean, blood is slightly different than water.
Coming up in 90 seconds, mark T-minus 90 seconds incoming. The Apollo 8 crew standing by, spacecraft Commander Frank Borman, Jim Muller, Bill Anders. We now report that the liquid hydrogen tank in the third stage is...
Stage 2, we'll talk about what goes on up there. So if you would all follow me, please. Oh, now once he retired from NASA, he was an artist, and he came back here.
你们都把那个给挡住了。
This is how Apollo astronauts they just lay down like this.
We have.
Have never designed engines and vehicles that can be reused.
Good.
你选哪个 ？Capture the Hubble， 我要选 Destiny。你往上选一个，动一点点可以选 Rather Rush。你要对着这两个对着，这个你要往下一点，往下一点，往下一点。